Hello everyone and welcome back to COM 121, Introduction to Mass Media, and you just followed this link because you're ready to watch me help you set up your QR code. Excuse me if you hear baby noises in the background, that is Benji. Alright, so first you're going to go ahead and hit login or register. I think you could even start by just hitting create QR code. I'm just going to ask you for your sign-in information. You can sign up directly with a Google account. I already have my information saved, so I'll just hit just log in. Sorry, I have my information saved, so I'll just log in. And what you're going to want to do is create QR code here in the upper right, and it'll give you this list. And for the sake of what we're doing here, I mean, it's really up to you. If you have like a website link that you want to link to or other, you could do that. I'm going to go with business for now because I'd like to input my phone number. So we're going to click business, and then at the bottom right here, we'll click next. And then you can name your QR code. I'm going to name mine Professor Harris. And you can even pick different color palettes that people land on. There's even custom wheels for that. I'm going to leave, let's go blue. Let's go with like a skyish blue with black. All right. And then you can even attach an image. I'll skip that for the sake of simplicity here. You guys can include the title, the subtitle, the company. There's all kinds of things here, but what we're looking for specifically is in contact information. You can click add phone and add email. So I'm going to click add phone. I'm going to add my phone number. And I'm going to click add email as well. Cool. And that'll add both of those there. And then you can see it here on the right. And I'm going to make sure I add my name too, because that'd be silly not to include it. We'll just set this in the first name. And then we'll go ahead and hit next from here. And then it'll give you the ability to customize your QR code. And something I found very helpful is the first thing you want to do is hit transparent background here, because then it'll create it as a PNG. And when you place it over your business card in InDesign, you won't have kind of a white box around and underneath it. It'll be transparent. And this you can get into some sketchy ground here because it does export it as black. You can go into Photoshop and use color overlay or another program to change that black to white. But anyway, yeah, you're definitely going to want to hit transparent background. And then you can pick any one of these custom border frames. I personally don't like them. I think they look tacky. So I would go without a frame. And then you can even pick the QR code style, where you get kind of these rounded off, or you can get dots, kind of like an italic sort of font. I believe I went with this one. And you can even customize it further down here with border color, background color, and all kinds of things. But again, you're going to want to hit transparent background. Again, you're going to want that to not have a white box. Unless you want it to have a white box or another colored box, you can change that there. For corner style, I went with rounded on my design, but you can pick any one you want. And there's all kinds of little options here. It's very fun. It's fun to play with. And again, you can change the border color and the background color and all kinds of stuff. And you can add your logo to the center. So let's go ahead and try that. I probably won't keep it in my final design. It's not working. Okay, so because I set mine to 3000 by 3000 when I created it, it's too big. It needs to be less than or equal to this. So I can't add it this time, but you can add it if you want. And then, so to wrap up here, you're going to hit next. And then finally, you'll see it here in your list. So I've already made two prior because I've been working on this. But once you've created it, all you have to do is come over here to the right. You can click download, and it'll give you a few options. I recommend PNG because then you'll get that transparent image that you can place right over your business card. All right, that should be everything. Thank you guys for watching.